Hello, MS Teams fans. I thought I'd show you a demo of how you can manage full Microsoft-centric end-to-end processes all within Camunda. So this is an expense process where I receive an expense inquiry via our Microsoft Outlook connector. I then allow an AI agent to manage that expense. So it can understand it, reads it. The AI agent is running in Azure, so it's using the OpenAI model in Azure, and it can read the email if it needs to follow up with the expense submitter, can ask them follow-up questions, send them an email, or it could ask the finance team and escalate this to them. These green blobs on the screen are user tasks, and these will be able to be managed within our MS Teams app. So the business users, the finance team can work where they are. They don't have to switch over to task list to manage these tasks. If the agent is all happy, we will save the attachment in Azure Blob Storage. If there's some kind of technical issue, we could use MS Teams, the MS Teams connector to create an incident channel, post an incident summary of potentially what's gone wrong, post a welcome message so the tech ops team know what's going on. But if all is good, the finance team can review the expense claim, they can approve it, and then send a confirmation email. So let's switch over to MS Teams and look at how that functionality would then work there. So within MS Teams, within apps, you can now install the Camunda app. Let's have a look how that looks. So I've opened that and I can see I've got a chat interface. I can ask the Camunda bot to start a process, set up notifications, potentially change cluster for me, or I can get just notifications of my daily tasks that I need to complete. But let's switch over to the Tasks tab. And I've already got a couple of tasks assigned to me. On these cards, you will see the due date of the task, the priority, it's who it's assigned to, the creation date, and the process and form name. So I can click in here. I can see the full submission for the expense claim, and I can complete that task. I can unassign it. Let's just go back. I also have a number of different filtering options. So I can filter on priority, due date, creation date, all them lovely filters you would expect. I can also sort this view, and I can also switch to list view if I prefer different UX. So let's switch over to all our open tasks, because I've got a lot more open, but because they're not all assigned to me, I can again click through here, see what's assigned. I could go in and assign this task to myself. Again, if I'm managing these expenses, I want to be doing this all within Teams. I don't want to have to change context during the day. I can also view any of the completed tasks all within MS Teams. As well as that, I can start processes. So I can actually trigger an expense process all within Teams. And I can manage any incident. So hopefully not, but let's say Outlook goes down one day and that email fails to send, you can actually come in here and retry, and then that would retry the process and send that Outlook email successfully to the submitter. With incidents, you can also set it up so it can create an incident channel automatically, just as you'd expect with tools like PagerDuty or Incident IO. So you have your tech ops team can manage any incidents that arise within your process. Currently, the MS Teams app is released in alpha for any of our SaaS customers, but self-managed install is coming with 8.9. So in April, very soon. So switching back to the process, you can manage full end-to-end, Microsoft-centric processes. We have a number of different out-of-the-box connectors that you can use today, and that all works in conjunction with MS Teams. So, allowing your business users to stay in the context they are. If you have any feedback on any of this, please let me know. I'll be glad to hear it. And thanks so much.